In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify and Instagram. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Connecting your Shopify store to Instagram can be a great way to expand your e-commerce reach and drive more traffic and sales, all right? But before you can connect Shopify to Instagram, make sure you meet the Instagram's eligibility requirements, which includes having a business or creator account and an active Facebook page, all right? Also, ensure your Shopify store complies with Instagram's commerce policies. So I suggest you log into your Instagram first because we'll be needing that when we connect the Instagram app to our Shopify store. All right. Once you've logged in, make sure you hover down to your Shopify store now. All right. And when you're here, setting up Instagram shopping on Shopify. All right. All I'm gonna do is go to this section in the left dashboard where it says add apps. All right. So there's a lot of apps for you to choose from, but you hover here to find more apps in the Shopify App Store. Once you've done, you will be directed to a new page and then just search Instagram, all right? So this, if you are going to integrate Instagram to your Shopify store, remember that the goal is to drive more traffic and sales, right? So you're gonna use or you're gonna have to consider Instagram ads and promoting your Instagram shop through your other marketing channels. All right. So here we have a lot of Instagram kind of apps for you to choose from. So there's no one size fits answers to how you can connect Instagram to your Shopify store because it depends on your needs. All right. So there's a lot of Instagram kind of apps here, right? Depends on your niche as well, right? And that's how you connect Instagram to Shopify. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.